Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your collab. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, go up of your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just go here up of this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here. Then you come here to show a not answered card. Click in this sign. So like you see this color show for us. That's mean show not answered card enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.